Optimus Prime was chasing Megatron through the sky. He was so close. But Megatron didn't run. He fired a missile. It hit Optimus in the chest. Optimus fell and crashed into the Sahara Desert. Time passed. Sandstorms covered him. Rust ate his armor. The desert treated him like he never existed. Then, one day, a sandstorm uncovered something huge. A satellite scanned the dunes and found a giant robot body. Back at the Autobot lab, Elita-1 and Bumblebee were playing chess. Everything was calm until the alarm went off. The screen showed the truth. Optimus Prime, critical condition, Sahara Desert. Elita-1 froze. Bumblebee didn't waste a second. They transformed into vehicle mode and raced out. Through the city, down the highway, straight into the endless dunes. They reached the coordinates and transformed back into robot form. But the desert was silent and empty. So Bumblebee turned on his scanner. Blue light swept across the sand. Somewhere under these dunes, Optimus Prime was waiting to be found.
Optimus, no. This is not how I wanted to find you. You're covered in rust. Your chest is broken. Your eyes. I'm sorry I wasn't there. I'm sorry you were alone in this desert. Look at me. I'm here now. I won't leave you. Not again.
Elita, listen to me. He looks bad, yes, but he's still Optimus Prime. If he was completely gone, we wouldn't have gotten the signal. So we don't stop here. One step at a time. We dig him out, we lift him, we take him to the lab. You're not doing this alone. I'm with you. Come on, we can save him.
Elita.
Saved me.
Till all are one.